Don't allow them to make you to be angry. Continue what you are doing. Some people are jealous. I will cut my yellow pepper very small, small, so that it will not show. Thank you very much for supporting me, all you guys. It's about it was 40 something. All of a sudden, I didn't know what is happening. It's come down to 20 something now. But they gave me within the period of 28 days. You should still come up. Uh, no mind her, Jory. Okay. Okay. What are you talking about? You say your children are disturbing you. What of my own that I'm grown up? I'm cutting the yellow pepper. I tell you guys are too much. I've never seen before. I don't know that you people should love me like this. You see the green yellow pepper. I'm cutting it small, small. Okay. What about you? What of the other son? I hope he's doing very well. The other one, we talk about on how to make hairstyle. Hey, don't worry, today I will mark it. I will see difference. In fact, you are the best teacher. I've been saying I will go live, I will go live. All the time I will go live. Today, Saturday. Everything is one day. Thank you very much for your word of encouragement. And I like dealing with people that have the fear of God. Bible said the fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. In everything one doing in life. Whether somebody is watching you or nobody is watching, at least you have that mind in you that God is there watching you. That's one thing I do. So whatever you are doing, make sure you do it very well. That's one thing I believe. And God will always link me to people that do. Hey, yeah. It's okay. It's small, small. It should be coming up. At least by God's grace, as you continue to go live. But in fact, it's like people used to go live every day. But me, I don't know. Okay. Thank you very much. My dad is the first time I'm cooking, I'm going live. I just say let me try. Okay, it's like my camera is not bright very well. Okay, it's like she got a new cloth and clean my camera. And come. Let me see what I can do. I don't know if there is any difference. Is there any difference? Any difference? Is there any difference? Okay, both front and back. Okay.